ETH, we start with one chart. Just want to give a quick update. And there is no much changes if you refer to my last analysis because the price was somewhere around here and we see this correction. All right. The way it's moving is very corrective. And we start with daily chart. First of all, if you refer to what analysis, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the previous top, which is somewhere around 3.7K. All right. And as we can see, the price almost like the previous top and start to correct. That's why I mentioned we can expect to get a deeper correction. Anyway, we're looking at this one as a correction and still we're looking for buy and we need to see the breakout of this zone. At least we need to see the breakout of 3.7 following by 3.9K. Rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss based on daily chart. As I mentioned, there is no much changes. The only thing is the price, it was a deeper, the price consolidating within the small range. And if we move to forward chart, and even based on forward chart, the only thing is right now I'm looking at this correction. If I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And if we want to see how deep this one can go, we can put over fib in this move. Then based on 27, 32, maximum 61%. This is how we can expect how deep it can go. Anyway, we are not really interested to look for sell. That's why we don't need to go to see how deep it can go. Any reversal, any trade setup for buy, we will take it and we start to manage it. And simply, if you put this stop in relative to the previous one, if you refer to an indicator, we had a divergence. That's why we could expect to see this down move. All right. And again, we have nothing else to discuss based on forward chart. And if I move to 1 hour chart, any trade setup for buy, I will take it. And what I'm looking for to see the breakout of the 3.7K following by 3.9K. And from what we see here, this is the small correction relative to this. Still, we can expect the price even retest the previous low. Is okay for us. If the price drops some more, it can give us better opportunity to look for buy in terms of the risk and reward and even to look for the trade setup. Anyway, still we can look for buy. At least either we get a sharp move flag, or if he wants to put our entry above the top, at this point, the only way is to put our entry above here, which I won't suggest it. If the price give us one more drop, this one turn to a correction, then we can put our entry somewhere around 3550. All right, depends how deep it can go. If the price drop and retest the previous low, then having entry above this is not really good. But if this one give us one more drop, then we can put our entry in case there is a reversal as a short move. But if there is a continuation, then and with the breakout of the previous stop, then having entry above this is not really good idea. That's why at that time we need to look for the reversal as a short move. Like anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.